Hey everyone, it's Tim. I want to give you guys an update on this figure here. Let me hold it down here and I'll zoom in. This figure, I mentioned that I was either going to repair the binoculars or I was going to replace them. And as you can see, I decided to replace them. I used binoculars that were from that German infantry weapons and equipment mini art set. There was only one in there, but that was good enough. And when I got it off the sprue and I tried to sand, which I probably shouldn't have used sanding stick on the side, it fractured the middle a little bit, but it didn't break it in half all the way. I just pushed it back, put some glue in there, and it's absolutely fine. And so I took a pen drill, hand pen drill, and X-Acto blades, and cut this out. I'll show a sped up clip of me doing that. And then I got it in there, and I think it looks great. In doing that repair, I noticed that there was dentations in the thighs. I don't know why I didn't notice that the last time. It looks like he's supposed to have an MP40 on his lap or a gun as well. And I say an MP40, this needs to be patched. An MP40 because he's holding, or he has MP40 mag holsters on. And I don't think this guy, I don't recall seeing a spare MP40. So now I got to find another MP40. Like I was saying earlier, I think I mentioned it earlier, it's just good to have an extra bunch of spare parts of things on hand. If you can get them, you can afford to buy it, do it, because you're just going to be like, oh crap, I don't have it. Or it breaks, or the guns that come with the kits are crap, and you got to replace them. But this company here, Jan, I get it off of eBay. This is the MG42, they are fantastic kits. They're beautiful pieces. I got the 3-pack of MG42s and a 3-pack of MG34s, and I'll show you that. These have primer, black primer on them, and they're a little hard to see any detail, but I'll show you when I do have them finished. And if you want to call it weathered, or you know, the painting's done on them. Again, this is just black primer. But look how thin that sight is. I don't know if you can even see that. Maybe I can zoom in on it. But the detail's fantastic. And this here, the sling on it is a photo etch brass. It comes with that. It also comes, this particular set comes with the ammo boxes and photo etch. It comes with the an MG, two of them, I think, MG ammo belts that you can either use for, you know, a ground setup, or if, you know, you want, if the on a figure or you needed to have ammo belts somewhere, they have brass ones in there, which is great. I just think they're nice little kits to have. So I went back to them, and long and behold, they have MP40 kits in 8-pack, and they also have Mauser 8-packs. So I ordered one box of each, including another one of these, because I only got one left in here. I'm not going to get this out quick enough, but they come in casings like that. And the brass is right here. I could show you what I meant with the brass. But there's the brass, and there's the bullet rounds, or the belts, ammo belts. Good stuff, right? Fantastic little kits. And I think these are like anywhere from 12 to 15 a pop, maybe. I think we're closer to 12 something. So 3 of them plus shipping was like 56 bucks. If you have the money, get them. They're just great to have on hand. And that's all I wanted to say for right now. Got that changed. Looks great. I'm going to get an MP40 on his lap. I'm hoping I get these in time before September rolls around, because I don't know if I mentioned that, but I want to be at the IPMS PenCon in PA. I want to take this kit done. I'm trying to get it done in time. We'll see how that goes. But I do have other things I want to show there anyway, so I probably will be there regardless. And yeah, there we are. There's a little quick update. I'll probably show a sped up video of me cutting that out. What I did, I used a pin drill and 2 X-Acto blades very delicately, so I didn't chop the hand off and cut it too far in. I like doing that stuff. Oh yeah. showing. Every time I do something with models, particularly figures, when it comes to stuff like this, I've never done this before. I never removed binoculars from my hand, but I have removed guns from my hand. So I'm going to assume that it's not going to be any much more difficult, and I need to be just as careful that I don't damage anything else real bad. Did I say camera? Binoculars? I don't know. Okay, I keep talking a lot because I have a tremendous amount of pre-workout in me and I just came back from the gym. All right, I'm going to try and retain myself from over blabbing. All right, this figure